the city of Binalonan in Pangasinan, and I'm standing right now in front of SaveMore. So there's a big market over there for street. That's good. How much? Doso. I'm just passing, so I just smell, like for the chicken, for the grill. So it's not allowed, but they are doing all together. So chicken, right? This is spring roll. That's good. Okay, then yum. Ali hena. Namaste. That's good. From Pakistan. Pakistan.
कैसे भाई?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, आप कैसा है? ठीक है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। किधर काम किया? Where you was working? Saudi, Dubai, UAE, Kuwait. Mashallah. Okay, how many years?
9 years and a half.
Wow.
About you?
I was in Dubai 20 years almost.
You know how to speak Arabic?
Yeah. Alhamdulillah. Do you know? Kaifalal, Shafbarak, Kulu Tamam, Kulu Zain, Kaif Shugul.
Kita cuma 1 minit.
أنا في ممكن كويت، ممكن دبي ولا سعودي، ممكن
شنو سوي هذا خبير؟
خلاص.
سكر كاميرا.
دوسو good. Coffee Kadir, doso.
Kamera tak perlu kabir.
Okay, that's good. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Actually, this is the first time I used to come over here in this market, but unfortunately I didn't went internal street, so I parked my car over there. So randomly I'm just passing, so I just smell, like for the chicken, for the grill. So I was curious, and then it comes suddenly in my mind that just why not have a look also inside. So as you can see, all the such kind of they have it grill machine, like this kind of chain system. And the grill, of course, the pork is prohibited for us. It's not allowed, but they are doing all together. So this is street food in Philippines. This is a milk fish, right? That's good. Hello, ¿cómo está? Milk fish, right? How much this one?
120.
120. And what is this?
140.
No, what is the name of the fish? Catfish. Yes. So this is catfish. So this is by one of the shopkeeper over here. You have only seafood, right? You have only seafood. Only fish, yeah. All right, ma'am. Thank you. Let's find it out also over here. Yes, my friend. How are you? Good. Kamusta? Magandang umaga. Mabuti. That's nice. So mostly they have it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6 in a row. Kamusta? Magandang umaga. That's good. Nice. So this is the street food over here. Chicken, right? This is spring roll. That's good.
Saudi?
في امارات. كيف الحال صديق؟ شوف فرق. كيف انت شغل سعودي؟
ايوه
سعودي من هذا رياض ولا رياض؟ لا ما شاء الله.
25 سنة.
25 ما شاء الله. Magandang umaga, my friend. What is this one? This is quail or what? No, it look like a small bird. Small bird? I can catch you, it's okay? Kamusta? Magandang umaga po. So you like this food?
Yes.
It's good, right? But which kind of this bird?
Chicken, small chicken.
Small chicken, not quail. I see. Thank you, Bob. So this is small chicken or bird, I don't know. Okay, this is egg, spring roll, then they have chicken. Yes, my friend. Magandang umaga po. Kamusta? What do you have here? What kind of food? May I see? Okay. Prawn with catering over here. So that's a good thing. Yes, my friend. Kamusta? Magandang umaga. Yes, done your food? So this is a brunch time or lunch time? Lunch time already, right? That's good. That's a complete vacation. All right, bro. See you. Thank you. Ano po? Magandang umaga. Kamusta po? Aywa. So this is butchery, right? What kind of meat this one? Pork?
Pork.
Aywa. So here we are. So there is actually a big market over here in Binalonan. So this actually is a breakdown. Okay. So this is actually, hello bro, Samasta. I used to come over here. This is the first time actually I'm going to make this kind of vlog, and hope everything is okay over here. So there is a breakdown, and this is a complete big market for the vegetables and fruits. So probably is a good one. Wow, nice. Good morning, boss. Magandang umaga. Kamusta? So complete hub over here. Thank you, Bob. John pizza. Good. Hello, bro. That's good. So this is exactly actually next to SaveMore Market in Binalonan. This is the town, the main town of Binalonan. So I hope you like my particularly today's vlog. So wish you all the best, stay blessed and healthy. Assalamu alaikum.